Hello everyone, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy F15 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. First of all, open the settings, then find and select wallpapers and style and now mark change wallpapers. Now pick the source from which you want to select your wallpaper. It can be one from featured wallpaper, something from your gallery, graphical wallpaper, color wallpaper, or something from wallpaper services. So let me set lock screen for dynamic wallpapers, for example docs. And that's it. As you can see, it has been applied to lock screen. And now let's choose something from home screen. For example, this one. Just unmark lock screen as we already selected dynamic one. Here we can see how it looks on home screen. Tap on done to apply. And that's it. As you can see from now on, this brand new wallpaper is covering home screen. And we will take a look on lock screen. There's dynamic wallpaper with docs. So this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.